We've all experienced where people come into the shop and they're looking for us to donate something to them for their charity for a silent auction. We've all been to silent auctions, you know what it's like. You walk around, you see tangible things that you want to buy. What we're selling is something that's really invisible, they don't see it yet. So on a flyer, you want to make sure you make it very clear what it is that you're offering. And I think oil changes are boring. I don't think we should just offer an oil change. It might be a spring package or a fall package. It might be a comprehensive inspection or something like that that has more value to it. We've all been to silent auctions, we know what it's like. You walk around, some things are tangible, but what we sell is not tangible, it's on a flyer. So make the flyer very attractive, get a graphic artist to do that for you, and provide them with a plastic stand, clear kind of plastic stands that you can buy at a stationery store, so it's standing upright, not flat on the table. In addition to that, to draw more attention to that, because it's not just the person who's going to bid on the item and win it that you want to get exposure to, but all the people that are walking around the auction. So if you've got some chocolate, some high-end stuff, and they walk around and they look and they see the chocolates, people love that. You've been to a trade show, they want to see free stuff. So people are going to pay more attention to the flyer that you have there. We also recommend that you have business cards or maybe a brochure on your company. Again, focus on the attention you're going to get from the other couple hundred people that are walking around at that auction. And it's a great way to increase your car count.